talk about how can you enable artists messages notifications on your Audiomack app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above your photo profile, click on it here. When just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on notifications, just click on it here, come to next step here, come here to artist messages notifications here. So then you just click here in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us here, that's main artist messages notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.